I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to your YouTube channel where you post questions and we provide you with solutions. Now, the questions posted are real questions which come in exam and where students need help. You won't get such collection of videos anywhere on internet. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email to globalmathinstitute at gmail.com. Here is a very beautiful question shared by our subscriber. F of x plus y equals to f of x plus f of y plus x square y plus xy square, where the limit x approaches 0 of f of x over x is equal to 1. Find f prime x, the derivative of f of x. You can pause the video, answer the question. This question is also relevant for students preparing for IIT JEE. Now, I'm used to saying IIT JEE because during my time it was just IIT JEE, not JEE. Okay. Now, let's see how do we solve it. Now, from the definition itself, what is the derivative of a function? The derivative of a function is limit h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. You see, we are starting from the very basic concept to answer this beautiful question. And that's where the big exams help students to understand and check them on foundation. Now, what is x plus h? So the idea is, x plus y is given to you. Replace y with h, you will get x plus h. That's what it is. So let's do it. So this is equal to limit h approaches 0. So it becomes f of x plus, instead of f of y, it is f of h now because x plus h, right? Plus x square h plus x h square. You understand? Minus f of x over h. So once you do this step, it becomes very easy. But getting here is something which 99% students cannot do. So I hope now you got the concept. You can pause the video, answer it, and then check the answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next further solution. So we have come to the stage where we could cancel few, right? So f of x get cancelled, right? So that's how we could simplify. And we have f of h plus x square h plus xh square over h. So clearly we could further simplify cancelling h, right? So now from here we get limit h approaches 0 of f of x, f of h over h, right? Plus all this. So let me write it as limit h approaches 0. Cancelling, we get x square h. H gets cancelled, right? Plus xh. Perfect. You see that. So we get a simplified expression. Now, what is the limit of f of h over h when h approaches 0? This you could find from here. So there we are given you that the limit of f of x over x is 1. So if x is h, then also it is the same thing, right? So I'm replacing x with h. So step-by-step solution for you so that you can really understand what is going on here, replacing x with h, right? That's what it is. So now the derivative for this function is, so the first part here, which is this, is 1. right? Plus, now here when you substitute h as 0, you get only x square. So that becomes the answer for this particular question, and that is the derivative of f prime x. So I hope the concept is absolutely clear. Now, this is the type of question which you should be working on, not just hunting around. You get the whole idea. Subscribe to my channel, understand better, save your time, and if you, in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email. Right? We're guiding students in more than 10 countries. I hope it makes sense. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.